Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Performing a liver detoxification. There are many ways to perform a body detoxification if one is truly serious about obtaining a healthy body. One of the ways that these detox methods are successful is through a complete liver detoxification. Even though it is completely possible to obtain a new and clean liver through a complete organ and body detoxification method, the liver is one organ that should be focused on during one detox week or weekend because it is believed that the liver contributes wholly to a healthy body. If your body is not healthy for one reason or another, then chances are that the failing functions of some of the organs are responsible, and one of these is the liver. But in order to understand why one must go through a liver detoxification specifically, one must realize what exactly the liver does. Liver produces a type of bile in order to clean the toxins and other wastes that are absorbed by the bloodstream in the body. After the toxins and wastes have been cleaned in the body, then they are ready to exit the body. However, if some of these toxins don't end up leaving the body, then what will happen is that there will be a type of toxin buildup throughout the body. This toxin buildup on the organs of the body, including the liver, is the exact reason that everyone needs to undergo a liver detoxification, or a total body detox in general. However, there are two ingredients that the liver needs in order to function properly. These two ingredients are water and glucose. Both water and glucose help the liver to work in the body, aiding the body's system to get rid of wastes that are not needed. Drinking water is the first step to a liver detoxification, as water is needed throughout any total body cleansing method. However, the foods that one eats during a liver detoxification are quite different from any other methods of the total body cleanse. For example, high starchy foods and foods that are high in carbohydrates are examples of the foods that should be eaten. Natural remedies, ingredients, and foods that include these things can be found in a health food store that also will help you in your liver detoxification method. Because the body needs these certain vitamins, minerals, and nutrients to cleanse the body, a couple of the ways that this can be done is through herbal remedies. An herbal detoxification that includes things like garlic, parsnip, parsley, cayenne pepper, curry, cinnamon, ginger root, as well as many others can be combined in the foods and liquids that are consumed during this liver cleansing. In fact, there are certain teas that combine just about every type of herb available, and these are the types of drinks that should be used. How long should one continue the liver detoxification is one dilemma that many people face once they decide to perform one. A simple answer to the question, though, is that it should take at least 2 to 3 days of digesting and consuming the herbal teas, water, and whatever other ingredients the health food store will help you to find. All in all, though, the complete liver detoxification method will completely help restore functionality to the liver as well as to the rest of the body. All of the body's organs are vitally important to maintaining a healthy body, but cleansing your liver will help the most. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.